In this video, you are going to see how to add page border to the Google Docs. There is no exact way to add the page border to Google Docs, but we are going to apply a trick to add a page border. To apply the page border, go to File, go to Page Setup. You can change your page to A4 and just change the margin to 0.25. Top and the bottom and the left and the right, and hit OK. Then the margin will be starting from over here. Now go to Insert, go to Table and select a 1 by 1 table. Now click on this arrow key and click on over here to select all. Now you can change the table color from here. Let me choose this color, and you can increase or decrease the width of the table. Let me select 2.25 point and click on the table and just hit enter many times to add as a page border, and here you will see this is perfect. If you click enter again, the page border will be starting from the next page. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.